Welcome to JustMarkets. In this short video, you'll learn how to deposit funds into your trading account in just 5 simple steps. To start, log in to your personal area using your registered email and password. Once logged in, go to the Funding menu on the left-hand side. Here you'll find a variety of deposit options. You can filter them using the top menu, which includes all methods, banks, cards, and more. Each payment method displays key information such as processing time, indicates how long the transaction may take. Fees, displays any applicable fees on JustMarkets side. Limits, shows the minimum and maximum deposit amount. Once you've chosen a deposit method, follow these steps. Select the trading account where you want the funds to be credited. Choose the currency for your deposit. Fill in the required details such as your payment phone number, bank account number, or bank name, depending on the selected method. Enter the deposit amount. Click Deposit to proceed. You'll now be redirected to the payment providers page. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete your transaction securely. Most deposit methods are processed automatically and instantly. Your deposit status can be checked in your personal area. Go to Funding and select Transaction History. Here you will see your latest deposit and its status. Once your deposit is successful, you will receive a confirmation email from JustMarkets. The funds will be credited to your trading account and will be available for trading. And that's it. Your deposit is complete and you're ready to start trading. If you need any assistance, our support team is always here to help. Have a good trading day.